Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a birthday dino. That's right, we're going to draw a cute dino. This sloth will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the dino's head. It's almost a complete circle. Let's also draw the rest of the dino's body, starting with its back and legs. Next, I will draw in the dino's belly and arms. You will notice that I like to keep the shape and lines of the dino very round, so no sharp edges. I think this keeps the dino cuter this way. Next, we will draw in some accessories for this dino. I know! Let's draw in a balloon. Feel free to use your imagination and make the balloon any shape of your choice. Afterwards, we will draw in a birthday hat and some round spikes on the dino's back. They are like small semicircles that run down the back. I will draw a small dot to represent the dino's eyes, but feel free to draw in larger eyes if you like. You can also add in eyebrows and a mouth to help the dino better express its feelings. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. Start by coloring the round spikes on the dino's back and its birthday hat. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Next, let's color in the dino's belly and its balloon too. Isn't it so cute already? Next, I will use my green to color in the dino's body. Feel free to change up the color for the dino. If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your dino. It can be a colorful shirt or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your dino's accessories. There are so many color combinations possible. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Let's wrap up by adding some spots on our dino. I'm going to color in some ovals with my dark green, but you can change it up and make these into the shapes of hearts or stars if you like. Wow! Look at our amazing little birthday dino. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as some toys or a birthday banner. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of birthday dinos in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the birthday dino. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.